Let's focus now in India. People are once again on the streets of Kolkata in West Bengal as the outrage grows over the rape and murder case of trainee doctor of R.G. Kar College. Demonstrators are demanding the resignation of West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. The streets of Howrah turned into a battle zone as police fired water cannons and tear gas shells to disperse the student protesters as they tried to break the barricades. Demonstrators also gathered at the Howrah Bridge. Many climbed atop police barricades and clashed with the security forces. Some of the protesters were also seen throwing stones towards the cops as the police fired water cannons to disperse the crowd from the iconic Howrah Bridge. The old man on your screens was seen braving the water cannons and waving the Indian national flag. Students were seen marching towards the Secretariat in Howrah. The protest is being organized by student outfits. Demonstrators broke through the iron barricade set up on their route leading to the Secretariat, which resulted in baton charge by the police. Politics is also peaking with the BJP, which is in opposition in backing the protests and is seeking the resignation of the state chief minister, while the ruling party TMC says the protests are politically motivated. According to Kolkata police, the student outfit was not given permission to organize the protests. The BJP has given the call for a 12-hour strike in West Bengal tomorrow to protest the police action. The state of West Bengal has been rocked by massive protests, not only by student bodies but also political parties. Leader of opposition in West Bengal Assembly alleged that police resorted to brutal repression on peaceful participants of the rally.
Police failed, water cannon failed, tear gas shell fell, lathi charge fell, everything fell. Now agitation going on in front of Nabarno in Hastings area. 35 to 40,000 people, they assembled in College Square, they marched to the Nabarno. I would like to the Kolkata police and as well as Bengal police, please stop atrocity in Hastings area. Otherwise, a bad consequence will face.
Senior TMC leader Kunal Ghosh accused the BJP of backing the rally by the student outfit and using it to create disturbances in the state.
कल बंगाल बंद का कॉल दिया, वो तो पूरा फ्लॉप होगा. आज का उसका वो गुंडागर्दी, लेकिन बेसिकली फ्लॉप है, इसीलिए ही तो गुंडागर्दी किया. कहीं पर स्टेज नहीं था, कोई लीडर का भाषण का अरेंजमेंट नहीं था, सिर्फ सोशल मीडिया में प्रोवोकेशन देकर चलो बैरिकेड भांगो और घुस जाओ नवान्न में. ये गुंडागर्दी है, ये पॉलिटिकल मूवमेंट नहीं है. ये इसका साथ जस्टिस का कोई संबंध नहीं है.
The main accused in the rape and murder case, Sanjay Roy, is currently lodged in the Kolkata's Presidency jail, where he was subjected to a lie detector test by the CBI on Sunday. The CBI conducted a second round of polygraph tests on the former principal of R.G. Kar Medical College and Hospital in connection with the murder case, while an FIR has also been registered against him for corruption. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.